Right guys, this is Karim again. Hope you guys are fine. Today I've got a guest over here all the way from Rwanda. You're welcome, Nexus.
Thanks, man.
I want to thank you. I was told in the YouTube meeting that all the Uganda's YouTubers who have been to Rwanda, you have hosted them. So I thank on their behalf. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it, man.
Right.
I've hosted several YouTubers who came to Rwanda.
Right.
Actually, I want to invite you to Rwanda. And then when you come to Rwanda, everything's settled.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother.
Yes, man.
Anyway, Nexus, tell them about yourself, what you do, about your channel, and what you have a business.
So, guys, my name is Nexo, and I'm from Rwanda. My channel name is Nexo Adventure. I just upload content based on lifestyle. I create content on lifestyle, travels, and real estate. And sometimes I do village videos too. I own, apart from YouTube, I own a tour companies in Kigali called G-Step. So in case you want to visit Rwanda and stuff like that, you just come and visit Rwanda and we'll be able to take you around and show you the beautiful mother.
Right, okay. So what I'll do is I'll leave his channel's link and also the description of his company. So anybody going to Kigali, you know, he's your guy.
Of course.
Right. Similarity between Uganda and Rwanda, what do you think is the similarity?
I think, let me start from the similarity. I think similarity is that both Ugandans and Rwandans are like brothers.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you check, like Rwandans and Ugandans, we have same culture. And in Rwanda, we have like there's a 1994 genocide against genocide that happened in Rwanda long ago, and a lot of people flew to Uganda just for exile. So a lot of people actually stayed in here. So we have a lot of Rwandans who are living in this country.
So they never went back.
Yeah. So they went back and said, okay, Uganda is a beautiful country. You don't want to go back. They stayed in here. Apart from that, actually, I think like we are like neighboring countries. Some people speak Uganda, other people speak in Rwanda. So it's just kind of easy when you come in. I think the difference will be based on how organizing between those two cities are. Kigali is kind of organized and very strict. So for us, everything's in order. You are allowed to do this and do this. You are not allowed to do this. That's what you do, follow rules. But one thing that I've seen in here, everything's quite different. Especially, I've seen in here, a bike can carry two people. You don't need the helmet and stuff like that. That's something you can't see in Rwanda.
So what you're trying to say is in Rwanda, a bike cannot carry two people?
It's not possible. Just to carry, you are allowed to carry one person, and that person needs to have a helmet, and you need to have a helmet. It's a must.
It's a must.
Everywhere it's a must. I think Kigali, especially the city center, the CBD is kinda green more than yours, because yours is kind of like crowded, big buildings and stuff like that. But for us, something like that. Roads too are very different. Ours, we have palm trees in between.
In between the road.
Yeah, one side to the other side. Then in the middle, we have almost every single road you find like palm trees all around.
So you're trying to say the structure?
Yeah, I think the
structure of the cities.
The cities are
different things.
it's totally different.
Any Pakistanis that you might have seen in Rwanda?
For me, myself, I've met two Pakistanis in Kigali. Those people, they engage into this stuff of like selling kitchen materials and stuff like that. But you are the first Pakistani that I met, and then we became friends, because guys, it started like we're just chatting online. When I told him that Karim, I'm coming to Uganda, he said, bro, you are welcome, stuff like that. Now I'm here, he's just host me, everything.
Are all Rwandese tall?
I should say that a lot of Rwandans are tall, if you compare to other people. Like especially these people who born like between 95 and up, almost all of them are tall. You know, like when I'm in my country, I'm not that tall.
Really?
I'm just like an average people, like average.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I remember visiting Rwanda in 2018.
Yes.
And at that time, I figured out that I was having difficulty in communicating, but people were not speaking English. So what's the situation right now?
You know, before we were colonized by German and French. Now, by German and Belgium, and all those people, they speak French. So our French, they were teaching everything in French in Rwanda, but now they have changed. We have now English system. Now, especially young people, all of them, they can speak English. So when you come to Rwanda, you find everyone will be speaking English, especially young people.
All right. So
there's a message that I want to share with the world. I've seen something like that, like the color doesn't matter, everything doesn't matter. We all of us brothers. I've seen that you see, like I came to Rwanda, I met Karim. Karim is from Pakistan, but we became friends like very easily. So one thing that you need to understand is that the color doesn't matter, the country that you born and raised doesn't matter. The only thing that is matter is just brotherhood.
Wherever you go, you spread love and peace. Perfect. Thank you so much, Nexus, and I hope to see you in Rwanda.
Yeah, man. Hope to see you too in Kigali, man.
In Kigali. Right. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. That's it for today. Much love. Bye.